welcome to my channel. My name is Nabilah, and today I want to make a video about a night glam makeup that you can use or you can recreate to go to any event. But my intention is to go to a dating. So if you want to see how it looks, stay tuned.
Okay, first thing first, I am going to prep my skin with Argan oil Elixir from Manniqueen Cosmetics, and then I'm going to use some color corrector on my eye bag and then on all my blemishes. So for this one, you can use eyeshadow blender to blend all the orange color. And then for foundation, I will be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I have to add with foundation drop to get my skin tone. And I'm using a kabuki brush to blend all the foundation on my face. Alright, next I will use wet sponge to even out all the foundation and then to take all the excess product. And then next I will use my fixing cream from Elianto Cosmetic to cover again all the blemishes. And then I will use this concealer to conceal everything on my face. I forgot the brand, but I will link it down below on my description box. And then I take back my wet sponge to blend all the concealer on my face, on my under eyes, on my nose, on my chin. Next, I take my lip matte from Elianto to be my base blusher. And then I will blend all the blusher with my kabuki brush. And then I set my face with Pixy Silky Powdery Cake. This is the best setting powder that I have. And I am using Bright Luxe palette from Focallure Cosmetic. Alright, first I use the salmon shade for my base eyeshadow, and then I take the copper rose and I put a little bit on my eyelid, and then I blend the two colors, you know, the drill, to reduce the harsh lines. And then I take the Dubai shade with my finger and then I put it on my eyelid, and I take the carbon shade to put it on my outer corner of eyelid to give a little bit dimension. After that, I take again the copper rose and I put it on my under eyelid. And I take this Monoeyeshadow from Elianto makeup. I forgot the shade, but I'll link it down below on the description box. And I put it again on my eyelid. We are going to contour our face. This is my favorite part because I want to reduce the size of my face, and then I want to make my nose a little bit sharper because, you know, I have that Asian nose. put highlighter on my cheekbone, on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, then on my cupid bow, then on my chin, and also on my forehead. I had to make my eye look a little bit longer because I have a prominent eye. And then I used a very natural mascara. I don't want it to be over because I'm gonna use fake eyelashes. And then I set again with Pixy Cosmetic Silky Powdery Cake. And then I'm gonna use Stagenius lipstick. I got this from Shopee, and I will link it down below in my description box. This is by far the best, the cheapest, the best lipstick I have ever had. So this is the look, the night glam makeup look. If you are very scared of wearing lipstick, red lipstick, you guys can change the lipstick into a soft color. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much.